Maybe for me, there was another opportunity sana. We wanted to join the competition but the requirement is not that medyo di kami pasok. So yeah, but James Dyson is very open to all of the invention of the young, and not just young Filipino students or young Filipinos, but all of the young inventors in the entire world. So I think mas maganda yung maraming opportunities na ibinibigay ng James Dyson sa young inventors like us.
And also po, I think young inventors like us here in the Philippines is very abundant sa mga resources. And if we young inventors have the skills and the initiatives for us to use those resources and nagbibigay din yung government natin for funds sa ating mga, maybe our projects and our technologies will also be known worldwide also for our, and we also think for the James Dyson because James Dyson Award really showcases the young Filipino inventors and their awards not just nationally but also internationally.
I would just like to add, meron namang mga recognition with regional and national dito sa Philippines. Pero what differentiates James Dyson is that they gave platform to young inventors. They showcase how young inventors wants to solve problems. But however, in the Philippines, they just recognize the project, but they don't share how these young inventors inspires others.
Parang may binuhugutan si Sir.
I agree with what he said. Yung James Dyson, kumbaga mas welcoming siya sa mga innovations. And I think hindi naman, kumbaga it's time for Philippines na mag-step up at gawing, kumbaga model yung kung paano ginagawa ng James Dyson yung mga competitions or awards na yun, para dito rin sa Pilipinas, kumbaga dito na tayo, bakit hindi pa tayo magkakilala. So